What's up everyone, this is Khurram from iGetsWell and I hope you're having an amazing day. People were asking me that whether can you sleep inside the bed. So I'll say one thing, we just did it for a couple of seconds. I'm like 5'10" and I think a 6 feet, because this length is 6 feet, a 6 feet person can easily fit inside this truck. Actually, I can have 2 Italian girlfriends, but my wife's gonna kill me for that. But I'm just saying that you can have 3 people fit 6 feet height in this Cybertruck. But when the cover is closed, I mean, it is the weather sealed. So you don't want to be inside and get suffocated. So don't try this at home. Don't do it at all. We just did it for a couple of seconds. So just show what you can fit inside. So a 6 feet person can fit inside easily. Some people will say, I want to leave the cover maybe half the way on. You could do that, but you want to leave the room for breathing, because if you don't do that, yeah, you know what happens when there's no oxygen in there. And even for 5 seconds, I was scared in there. So this can fit 3 6 feet tall people. There's so much room. It's 6 feet, and if you drop this here, you have additional 2 feet off, so that's like 8 feet. You can get in there. But the purpose is that if you have the camp mode and you buy the Tesla, the camping accessory, you know, the tent that they have, that is going to be the best idea, more safer, and you can do that. But if it's a sunny day, you want to lay down in the back, you can do it with the cover totally open, and you guys can see how much space is there. So let me drop it right here. Imagine going to, you know, the wildlife, going off-roading, and you have this whole thing available, and you have a nice sun, no rainy day. That's gonna be really neat. And you guys can see that this cover comes down when you press this button. Now see, it is coming, but I'm gonna stop it right here in the middle, and you still have so much open, so you can enjoy, you know, some fresh air and have good views. Yesterday I was at the fireworks and it started raining all of a sudden, so I just did it from my phone and I closed this cover, and I was protected from all that raining that was happening. And yeah, I was just chilling because we were waiting for the fireworks. We needed 30 more minutes. So I just kind of relaxed in the back, and kids were watching the videos in the back, the radio entertainment that we have, so they were busy on their YouTube. So this is the fun video that a lot of people asked to do, so I've done it. Is there anything that you guys want me to do? Please drop it in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in another video. Until then, peace out. I was trying to protect myself from the rain. So nice. I'm like, where's the sound coming from?
Because it just came out, right? Like, for people to buy and stuff? Or, you know, the